That bridge, pretty dangerous, but then I made it. Now let's see what else is over here. Is it closed? Is it closed?
You can't go up.
Okay, there's no way.
It's so muddy.
Alright. Let's see. They're saying that's all muddy and you cannot make it over there. And let's see if I can make it. Ah, the south is really nice. I mean, nice people over here. Oh, so this was the mud they were talking about. It's all wet and muddy over here. So I can make it, but then I don't know, because there's no way up there and it's all closed. Spider web is also here, everywhere. I'm guessing I'm gonna make it back. Next up, there's the waterfall over here. Let's see what kind of view do I get over there. Man, I really need to work on my stamina. I'm really weak, really weak. It's all jungle everywhere, wherever I can see. See, all jungle. Okay. I think there's a way to go up over there.
There's no way.
There's no way? Okay. Probably from there. Oh, it's not there. I can go on top, but there's no one to take my picture. So I'll drop that idea. That's all simple. I think I'm gonna pause the video for a few seconds. From here, I can hear the sound of waterfall. I wonder if you can. There are people over here, but I kind of like the tracking we're in. Not much people, everywhere. It's silent, and I can see a beautiful coming. I mean, a beautiful girl coming. Beautiful view. I guess not so beautiful. Next up is this tower. Let's climb up here. I think it's gonna be a good view. Let's go. Yeah. Really beautiful.
Oh, sorry, cameraman.
It's beautiful, man. That's great. And I love nature. I really love nature. I guess the reason is because nature is the only thing that doesn't betray you or play with you. Nature loves you back without any condition. I'll close the video now.